Hi guys, I'm Alin Dave Conde. I'm here to answer these following questions. First, what topic out of many made an impact on you and why? Physical self, it because of my appearance. Second questions, as far as our subject is concerned, did this subject made you think about yourself in deeper sense and how? Yes, by realizing that I'm still don't know what I am, and how unique I am from other. For you, why is understanding the self significant in our daily lives? Understanding the self is significant because it acts like a compass or a guide in our decision in life. 4. Do you see yourself applying the things taught here and how? Yes, by being mindfulness, being present in the moment, observing my thoughts and my feelings without judgment. What quote, praise, or saying that makes you remember our discussion? Um, Knowledge is a virtue, ignorance is a vice. Message you would like to leave to your ethics instructor. Um, adwa- I would like to say thank you and take care always, sir.